Welcome to this new listing above the old Mill District in a perfect neighborhood for getting to outdoor concerts, shopping, restaurants. Let's take a look inside. The downstairs of this home features a large dining room, perfect for entertaining. A beautiful kitchen with new countertops and appliances. Spacious living room, one bedroom, and a completely remodeled full bath. The upper level has a primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms. This level can be locked off for rental potential or as a private guest space. The 2-car garage offers plenty of storage and room in front to park a travel van for those Central Oregon adventures. And the low-maintenance yard means more time to enjoy the fun neighborhood and all it has to offer. This home provides Bend living at its very best. Come see this home in an unbeatable location for yourself.